Hi there, this is Milo, and yeah, this is a little 40mm restricted Kiwi Yale long brass shackle. Um, it has some quirks. This one, we'll give it a pick. So let's get in there. So working my way forwards, just feeling for a binder. Feel a binder in two very subtle clicks out of it. All the way to the back again. Getting some very gentle clicks there. One, two, three, 4, 5. Click from 3. Oh, ow, I got it. Oh, sorry, itch. Damn it. Got an itchy top lip. Probably itching to say something cheeky to somebody. Oh, and one, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. There we go. Now we get the open. But when we come to close it, it doesn't want to close unless we turn it slightly. There we go. And when we turn it slightly, it clicks and drops, and then we can shut it. It's kind of strange. That's the bit in there. So we had, so what's that? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 fairly high lifts at the back end. So the shackle wasn't popping when I got it. You can hear that click. So there's something going on in here. So pop the shackle, and it won't shut unless we put force on it, turn it, and then we get that click. Get that click, move it back, and yeah. So yeah, it's a strange one, but it's another nice long shackle, long bronze shackle. You can hear that click. So push down on the shackle, get that little click and a drop there, and oh, sorry. Yeah. Strange. Not perfect, looks like it's taking a battering at some point, but still nice old lock. There's the key. It says oh, it's very worn. The Yale in Town Manufacturing and Co, I think, is it? And it's blank on the other side. The key looks like it's had a hard life. I can see a slight hairline crack starting to form there. I did give this lock a good clean when I first got it. It was pretty manky. There is no gutting it. There we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.